In this video, I'm going to show you how to add more pages in Affinity by Canva. So there's actually two ways. I'm going to show you both. The first one is if you go to File, top left, click on New, and then here you can just select a new document. I'm going to select page size A4 and then create a document. It's going to create a document like this. And then you want to go to Vector up top, which should be there by default, and you want to click on this tab, which is Artboard tool. When you click on this, you're going to see a few pluses on each and every single side of your document here, and you can just click on this plus button, and it's going to basically create a new page. And if I zoom out of here, you'll be able to see I now have multiple pages. I can keep creating them, and I can just navigate them like this, and each and every single one of them is going to be a separate layer. So that's the first thing you can do, okay? However, you can also do a different thing. So if I just delete this over here, I can go to File, top left, click on New, and then again, I select the page size. However, this time, I click on multi-page over here and enable it, okay? You can then set the arrangement if you want it to be vertical or horizontal, and then you can select it where you want it to start. I'm going to do left, and then you want to specify the number of pages. So I'm going to leave this as 1 for now, but of course you can do whatever you want. I'm just going to show you how to actually add them manually after you've done this. So I'm going to leave it as 1, click on Create Documents, or document, and then here, there we go, it's going to put me into the layout where I can now see my page, and I have one page. If you don't see this left hand panel, click on Window up top, hover over Panels, and click on Reset, okay? Now when you can see it, you can then just add more pages by clicking the plus icon which says Add Pages. You can then select the number and then where you want it to be inserted, and then you can just click on OK, and a new page is going to get inserted, and then you can just keep on doing that, and it's going to keep popping on pages, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.